Hello everyone. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how do you accept friend request on Snapchat. So firstly, open your Snapchat. So once I've opened your Snapchat, what you have to do is on your top left, click on your profile. So here, if you scroll down your profile, you'll see an option called Add Friends under Friends. So click on it. So here, if someone has already added you, or if they have sent you a friend request, so what you will see that you will see an option here called quick add, but before quick add you will see an option called added you. There will be an option called added you, and under which you will see all the requests that you have received. Since I have not received any request, or I've not been added by anyone, I am unable to see that option. But what you should be able to see, if someone has added you, before the quick add you will see an option there where you will see all the requests that you have been received. So all you have to do is just click on that request and tap the accept button. Once you click the accept button, then the friend request will be accepted. So that's pretty simple as that. So hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.